Hi, I'm Nancy with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, and I'm going to be showcasing one of our beautiful premium pre-owned vehicles. Behind the camera is Ryan. Say hi, Ryan.
Hey y'all.
This is the 2024 Unity rear lounge. This is a beautiful Canadian-built motorhome, 25 feet long on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. Come on in. There's some features in this Unity rear lounge that are absolutely extraordinary. This leisure travel van rear lounge has a wonderful galley area. The galley area incorporated with the front cockpit, and the chairs turned around can also seat 4. It also has the availability of an air mattress that will fill up this space to be a full-size bed if in fact you have any people come with you or grandchildren. The nice European styling leaves this feeling of openness and clean, airy space. Leisure Travel Vans does the solid surface countertops, a convection microwave, and a compressor refrigerator with a drawer on the bottom, which is easy access, and a little bit more space than the previous 3-way refrigerator. Come on back. This is the Eddy bed. As opposed to a Murphy bed, this is a side-to-side sleeping bed. Let's put it away and show you the glorious sitting area that will be the lounge part of this deal. Easy in, easy out. So you're not spending a lot of time putting together an area that isn't going to be usable in the meantime. As I mentioned, it has a lot of air and nice natural light. You have the doggy window, or just the window while you're sitting back lounging, maybe watching TV and having a glass of wine to enjoy the outside beautiful natural world. Again, this space will close off so you can have a little private time. That gives us an opportunity to have some personal space while we're traveling and RVing. Again, I'm Nancy with Johnson's RV. This is a beautiful leisure travel van Unity RL. This is a premium pre-owned piece that is available now here at Johnson's RV. My number is 307-315-5308. Give me a call. Let's talk leisure travel vans. Thank you.